In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make drop caps on WordPress.com. Adding a drop cap to your blog post's introductory paragraph can give your content a touch of elegance and make it stand out. So let's dive in and walk through the process, step by step. To start, you'll need to head over to WordPress.com and log into your account. If you're not already logged in, simply open your web browser and search for the WordPress.com login page. Once you've landed there, enter your credentials to sign in. If you're new to WordPress, just follow the prompts to set up your account. After logging in, you'll be greeted with the WordPress dashboard, the central hub from where you can manage all your website content. Next, we need to navigate to the Posts section of your dashboard. To do this, look for the Posts option in the left-hand menu and give it a click. This will bring up a list of all the blog posts you've created on your website. From here, select All Posts to view the full list. Now, scroll through your posts to locate the one you'd like to add a drop cap to. Click Edit on that particular post to open it in WordPress's editor. Once inside the WordPress editor, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Look for an option labeled Typography. Click on it. You'll notice 3 dots in the drop-down menu that appears. These 3 dots hold the key to accessing more text options. When you click on them, you'll find the drop cap option nestled among other features. Select it to enable drop caps for your post. By enabling this feature, the first letter of your paragraph will enlarge and drop down over the next few lines, adding a classic and sophisticated look to the start of your article. It's a simple yet highly effective way to enhance the visual appeal of your content. After making this change, you must ensure your work is saved. Navigate to the top right corner of the editor, where you'll find the Save button. Click it to secure your changes. And there you have it. You've now successfully added drop caps to a blog post on WordPress.com. Whether you're writing a personal blog, a professional article, or a creative story, using drop caps can add a unique flair to your content, helping it capture your audience's attention right from the first word. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. If you have any questions or run into any issues while trying to add drop caps, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Happy blogging!